How to download and install FC25 Showcase free demo. So as you can see, open the Epic Game Launcher and go to Store and click on search here and type FC25 like that. You will see here the different results. We will click on Showcase here. After you click on it, now wait a few seconds. As you can see, here you see this is a demo. Just click on Get. And after that they will redirect you to place your order. Now click here to agree and fill your email, and after that click on place order, and you will be able to download it. As you can see, please do not close this window. And as you can see, thanks for your order, view my library, or continue browsing, click on view my library, and you will see this FC25 showcase free demo. And after that, click on install and you will be installed it on your PC. So this is how to download and install FC25 showcase free demo. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.